Finding your rhythm, understanding in a groove. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, in a groove. This expression has a musical background, but it's used in everyday English in a way that's quite different from its original meaning. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding phrases like this one is key to sounding like a native speaker. So let's get into the groove and find out what this phrase really means. When you hear the word groove, what comes to mind? A groove is actually a narrow cut or a channel, originally seen in vinyl records, where the needle plays the music by following these grooves. The steady rhythm created by the record as it spins can be likened to a routine or a consistent pattern. Now, let's move to the figurative use of the phrase. To be in a groove means to be in a state of consistent performance and feeling good about what you're doing. It implies you found a routine that works well for you and you're producing steady, positive results. Think of it like hitting the right notes in life, just as a needle follows the grooves of a record smoothly. It's always easier to understand with examples. So let's see the phrase, in a groove, in action. After switching to a new team, Mia finally feels like she's in a groove at work. I didn't like jogging at first, but now I'm in a groove and I really enjoy it. The writer had trouble with the first few chapters, but now he's really in a groove. In each of these sentences, in a groove signifies that someone has found their rhythm or stride and is performing well. You can use this expression to describe any situation where you find yourself excelling consistently after a period of adjustment. You might say you're in a groove with your studies, your exercise routine, or even when you're getting better at playing a musical instrument. Just for a complete understanding, let's quickly look at the opposite, being out of the groove. This means you're not performing consistently and are likely experiencing a setback or struggling to find your rhythm. I hope this video helped you understand the meaning of in a groove and how to use it like a native speaker. Remember, finding your groove can take time, but once you're in it, you're set for success. Keep practicing your English, and you'll find yourself in a groove with the language as well. Until next time, keep learning and stay positive.